In this video of TechTube, I'm going to show you how to delete all tweets at once. For any reason, if you're trying to delete or remove all of the tweets that you have posted on your Twitter account, then in this video, let me show you how it's done. Now, before I move on and show you, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos just like this. You would not find any option within the Twitter app of deleting all of your tweets all at once. The best that you can do within your Twitter app is you need to delete individual tweets. You just need to tap on the three dots on the top right and you'll see an option of delete tweet. But in case you want to delete them all at once, you'll need to use a third-party website. For that, you'll need to open up your web browser first and search for tweetdelete.net. This is a website that lets you delete multiple tweets at once. But however, you'll need to log into your Twitter account using this website. So there is a risk factor in it because you need to log in to your own account through this third-party website. So you just need to tap on sign in with Twitter. Type in your details of your Twitter account such as your username or email address and the password. And then you can tap on sign in and you'll be able to delete multiple tweets at once using this website. So that was the video on how to delete all tweets at once. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily tutorials just like this. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.